how to do true false not given. It's important. Try to understand the strategy. So all questions you will get in order, where you will get question number 1 location, after that you will get question number 2nd, then question number 3rd location. Means in first paragraph, if you got first question location, probably or most probably you will get this second question location in second paragraph, or maybe two and second and third question location in second paragraph only. So this can be there, means one by one you will get the location. And here don't read all the question, one by one, or you can read two questions at one side. Okay, so let's do it. And in what conditions it is going to be true false not given. So in IELTS preparation, it's very important if you understand the strategy of each type of question. So true means if the statement agrees with the information. This is the statement, question is the statement, information what we will get in the paragraph, in the reading passage. If it is both of these are getting the same meaning, means statement agrees with the information, then it will be true. If something is contradiction, instead of India, if people are saying Dubai or UK or Canada in the statement I am telling you, then it will be contradiction. And not given if the main purpose of the question statement is like here it is recorded on papyrus. If they have not talked about recorded on papyrus, then definitely it will be not given. Now let's read first question. The earliest languages were recorded on papyrus. Do practice with me, I am telling you, it will be helpful for you. The earliest languages were recorded on papyrus. So location, how to find the location of question statement? Definitely I will try to find papyrus also and earliest languages. After that we will try to find whether these languages were recorded on papyrus or something else. If exact same will be there, then true. And if instead of papyrus something else is there, then contradiction, then false will be there. And if they are not talking about how the earliest languages were recorded, then not given will be there. Okay, and let's find in first paragraph. Before showing the paragraph, please do this. Please subscribe for more reading videos. Then definitely you can get your 9 bands in IELTS reading. Okay, so side by side I am discussing IELTS reading tips and tricks. So this is my first paragraph. Okay, so we are looking for earliest languages and papyrus. At first person name is there, but trillions of documents. Okay, invention is biggest thing in putting this person. Copying is the engine of civilization. Okay, culture is behavior duplicated. Don't go on to my pronunciation because I am trying to find answers as soon as possible. So oldest copier invented by people is language. Okay, now language is coming, by which the idea of yours become an idea of mine. The second great copying machine was writing. When the Sumerians transposed spoken words into stylus marks on clay tablets. Okay, words into stylus marks on clay tablets more than 5,000 years ago. The hugely extended human network that language had created. Writing freed copy from the chain of living contact. It made ideas permanent, portable, endlessly reproducible. So here I can see they are talking about 5,000 years ago language. They are talking how they have recorded. Copying machine was writing. And when the Sumerians transposed spoken words into stylus marks on clay tablets. So instead of papyrus, they are just writing everything on clay tablets. So this is false. Got it? It is false. So location is here, language they are talking here, and earliest word is not given because here they have given date. So paraphrasing synonym you can say it. So second question, when applying Jonathan Gutenberg's printing machine, it requires a lot of training. If it requires a lot of training, then it will be true. If they are not talking about any lot of training and all, then not given. And if they are talking something it requires something else, then it will be false. Okay, so Gutenberg they were talking here, but yes, what I told you, where you will get the location of first question, after that you will get the second question location. So Gutenberg, actually they were talking here also, but let's read it in the next paragraph. So do practice with me, I am requesting you. Okay, so Gutenberg is here also. When applying Jonathan Gutenberg's printing machine, printing word is here, let's read it from here. Until Jonathan Gutenberg invented the printing press in mid 1400 and producing a book in the edition of more than one generally meant writing it out again. Printing with movable type was not copying. However, Gutenberg couldn't take a document already existed, feed it into his printing press, and the first true mechanical copier was manufactured in this when James Watt, some other person is there, who is better known as the inventor of the modern. Okay, now they have started talking about another person, but they are not. They are talking about Gutenberg also, printing machine also, when applying. But this situation is not given. It requires a lot of training, so it will be not given. Okay, third, James Watt. Now James Watt is starting here. James Watt. James Watt invented a modern steam engine. Steam engine I can see over here. Before he made his first mechanical copier. Okay, he invented modern steam engine before. When he invented this steam engine before he made his first mechanical copier. Okay, so let's read it. The first true mechanical copier was manufactured in 1780. So we are doing third number question. Got it? Third number question. When James Watt, who is better known as the inventor of, just a minute, huh? Like that. So we are doing this third number question. We can read it from here for third number location. When James Watt, who is better known as the inventor of the modern steam engine, created the copying press, few people today know what a copying press was, but you may have seen one in antique store where it was perhaps a book press. James invented a modern steam engine before mechanical copier. Here they are talking about James Watt. Mechanical copier is also given, manufactured when Jones, who is better known, but everything is given, but main thing is not given. Before he made his first mechanical copier is he invented a modern steam engine. Before that he invented this, so this is not given. You can read this statement again. Now I am reading fourth number question. Using the duplicate copiers and follower versions are very costly. If these duplicate copier and follower versions are very costly, then it will be true. If it is cheaper than any other comparison, then false. And if they are not talking whether these copiers are costly or cheaply, then it will be not given. So let's find these duplicate copiers. So we have got location of third number, James Watt somewhere here. Now after that we will try to find this duplicate, this word duplicate. Nothing is there in next paragraph. On turn on the next page. So next page, next paragraph I am talking, this word we are looking, and here I can see Dupliton. Technologies and marketed machines called Dupliton, Verifax copies and copymation. These machines and their successors were welcomed by secretaries, okay, who had no other means of reproducing documents in hand, but each had serious drawbacks. Means some drawbacks or disadvantages. All required expensive chemical treated papers and all made copies that smelled bad, were hard to read. So expensive chemically treated paper, it means it was very costly. It was very costly. Same word is given, so they have paraphrased, they have synonym used, they have used synonym, so it is true. Okay, now coming to next question, fifth number. The typewriters with carbon papers were taken place of very soon because they were not sold well. Okay, now let's find this typewriter word here in the same. Here we have got the location of fourth question. Typewriter and carbon paper is here. Let's read it here. The sentence is starting from here. The machines were displaced. So this is fifth question we are doing. You can see the machines were displaced beginning in the late 1800 by a combination of two 19th century inventions, the typewriter and carbon paper. Typewriter with carbon papers were taken place of very soon because they were not sold. Okay. Uh, for those reasons, copying presses were standard equipment in offices for nearly a century and a half. So here they are. Now location, I have shared it with you. From here to here you can read it and decide what answer will be for fifth question. You can pause the screen. The machines were displaced beginning in the 18th century, late 18th, by a combination of two 19th century inventions, the typewriter and carbon paper. For those reasons, copying presses were standard equipment in offices for nearly a century and a half. So here everything we have got. Sold doesn't matter because main thing they are talking what taken place of very soon, but here they are talking century and a half, means more than 150 years around. Very soon it was not, by a combination of two, the typewriter, and for those reasons copying presses last long tended to, and all. Okay, here also, and all made copies smelled, were hard to read, didn't last. The machines were displaced beginning in the late 1800 by a, so they were talking about this by a combination. So here according to me it is false. Now sixth number question, the Haloid Xerox 914 model also required specially treated paper for making copies. Okay, if this model 914 model required special treated paper for making copies, then it will be true. And something other paper, normal paper is required for making copies, then it will be false. And if they are not talking what is required for making copies, then not given. Okay, when you do the question, make sure that decide the conditions, when in what conditions it is going to be true, false, not given. Okay, so I can see this word here, same sixth number question, you can see this. Now let's read it from here. Sentence is starting from, okay, here. That company had been founded in 1906 as Hallett Company and is known as this corporation. In 1959, introduced an office copier called this, a machine that, unlike its numerous competitors, made sharp permanent copies on ordinary paper, a huge breakthrough. Here it is given something different. Also required specially treated paper for making copies. Now you decide your answer. So what is the answer? Contradiction is there. Specially treated, here they are saying ordinary paper. So it means this is false.